Okay, we're back out here today and hopefully finish getting this side on at least. I'm pre-installing these hangers up here, make it easier on us when we're hanging the floor joists. Got one more to hang up there and I'll show you what we're doing.
Instead of cutting, just
Okay, that's all there is to it. So all of them are hung. We'll get some measurements, cut them, and get them all hung.
I can see that.
All the 108 and 7/8.
Here, right?
Yeah, 108 and 7/8. Yeah, it's 109 and a big 8. So put 109 and 8 and a plus on. Is that this one here?
Uh-huh.
You saw what I did there. I marked that top one and then cut through the second one, which automatically marked my second and third cuts. So mark the top one, that automatically gave me a mark for the second, third one.
Have you done your crown yet?
No. That's it right there. Cool. Cook my Crisco now. Alright, so we got 2 pieces down. What do we have left? We bought 7 pieces?
7, yeah. Get 5 more.
That might be enough, actually, now that I think about it. Anyway, we'll work on this a little bit and then we'll follow up with you. It's a lot of repeat here, so hang tight, we'll be right back.
You got it? Oh, do the overhang line. Ready? It's away. It's all you now.
There. I'll try to push this in. Moving.
Yeah.
Okay, how about this in? Little breeze on it.
Well, that's going the right direction.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe just enough. Maybe just enough. We should be down to one last sheet to finish the far end. So I got to cut off 18 inches on 2 of these. So I'm going to mark them and then put the straight edge on them. Okay. Big pieces. Go in. Oh, this is going to be a little different because down there
For what?
is that cut we did. Here. Alright, last piece going in. Last piece, here we are. That's it. So this is it's about a 20 by, I think it's 10, a little less than 10, 20 by 10 up here. It's got lights up here. Got a camera that I didn't move over there. It's a lean camera, I'll get it moved. But it's about a 20 by 10 loft. Extra space, we can store stuff, patio furniture, whatever. We will be closing that door in down there, put barn doors down there, and then the door below this. But that's going to be a wrap. Loft is done. I like it. Looks good. Took us a couple of days, but looks good. We'll get the RV in here. We got plenty of room. The RV actually goes over about another 2 feet, so we'll have plenty of room to still put the slides out. I can get the truck in here, and then probably the excavator too. So super excited about it. I think this is where we're going to end this video. Thanks for coming back and watching Rolling Country Outdoors. Take the time to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not. And if you know anybody that likes this content, have them subscribe if you don't mind. We like bringing this content to you, and hopefully you get something out of it. Y'all take care, have a good one, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.